My name is Matthew Parkinson. I'm an engineering apprentice at MBDA. At the moment, I'm working alongside an engineer who brought the vapor phase soldering machine into the company. So I'm working alongside of him, improving the machine's capability, ensuring it can do exactly what we want it to do, and then following through and setting it up to do exactly what we want it to do. So we can then use that on the production hardware that's going through the manufacturing area. I've gone through a 4-year apprenticeship so far. In the first year we spent time going around the shop floor, which is the manufacturing and working area. Going around various areas, learning the capabilities that we have, what the various machines do, what each section within the factory does. And once we've got a knowledge of that, we then move on to engineering placements. We're working with fellow engineers as part of a team to get the product through and get the product out to the customer. Back when I was at school, I was very interested in subjects such as maths and science, along with electronics. I then went on and took electronics as one of my options in high school. From leaving school, I decided I wanted to look into a career, into something that involves them subjects. Did a bit of research, and engineering came up as one of my favourites and the career that I felt that I wanted to go down. From that, I then moved on to looking at apprenticeships and what was available at the time. I did think about university and the options that gave, but I liked the idea of work-based learning. The skills you're picking up at the work help with the qualifications and vice versa, really. I had read up on apprenticeships, but I didn't know what to expect and what I would get out of it at the end. I knew what was available to get out of, but I didn't know how hard it would be to actually develop my skills and progress through into a career. My dad is actually a police officer. He's been in the police for a long time now, and my mum is a teaching assistant in a primary school. They respected that I wanted to go along with an apprenticeship and work-based learning. They thought it was a really good idea. Get free time, get a lot of holidays and things. I'm into sport. I play football and golf. Well, obviously coming straight from school, I've had a wage, so that's allowed me to buy my own car, pay for insurance for a car after passing my test, so it allows for a lot of benefits. Within MBDA, there's a lot of courses that they put you through as part of your apprenticeship that help you develop your personal aspects as well as your knowledge and your work experience. I've been on courses such as the life skills course, where you go and you do presentations and you work as part of a team and you lead teams, so it helps with that side of it also. So you get a lot of personal confidence. I wasn't surprised as such because I did do research into what the company does, and I'd sat down with the apprentice manager and had discussions as to what was going to be involved in the apprenticeship and what benefits I'm going to get from the apprenticeship. And so it didn't surprise me as such, but there are a lot of things that I've done as part of my apprenticeship that I thought were very good and useful, and that I didn't think I'd get the opportunity to do before starting. But also there's opportunities to move up into job roles in the company if you want to do different things or you want to progress your career. A lot of school teachers and people within the education system, and as well as parents, think it's better to go to university, but I don't think they believe they know the benefits of what you can get out of an apprenticeship and then a technical apprenticeship in the various careers that they are available in.